Today we will discuss the concept of bearing. What is bearing? A bearing measures the movement of an angle in clockwise direction and always on north line. So let us suppose you have a one point, say P. So first of all you have to draw a straight line on vertical side and write north direction. So first thing is the basis of a bearing is at the north direction. Second one is it is always measure in clockwise direction. So suppose if we said that the question is, suppose the question is the bearing of P from Q. Let us suppose another point Q is on this side. Now the question is bearing, if we want to calculate the bearing of P from Q. So again you have to draw a parallel line that touches the point Q and also write north direction. Now the third thing is it is written in 3-digit angles. That means suppose if the angle is you have to calculate some angles, and after calculating you get, suppose it's a 30 degree. So you cannot write only the 30 degree, you have to write in 3 digits 030 degree. So this is our bearing. Now how you will calculate this bearing? Let us suppose if the angle on this side is, suppose it's a 120 degree, and the question is that the bearing of P from Q. So bearing of P from Q, so Q is your reference point, so we have to start from north side. So first of all you have to draw a straight line and write N and move in the clockwise direction. So start from here, and he said that the bearing of P from Q. So from north side and from point Q you will move toward P line. So we have to move toward P line. Now you have to calculate this complete angle, but before calculating this complete angle we must know some properties related to angle calculation. So we know that when two lines are parallel, their interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Let us suppose that these two lines are parallel, and according to the definition their interior angles, let us say it's a small a small b, and these two lines are parallel, so their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So interior angle is equal to 180 degree, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So for this reason you have to, first of all you have to calculate this inner angle. Let us say this inner angle is x. Now how, first of all you can calculate this x? How you will calculate this x? We know that these two lines are parallel and their interior angles, their sum is equal to 180 degree. So that's why we will write x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we are applying this property. So x, which is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Now next you have to subtract this value. So 0, 6 and 1 minus 1 is again 0. So we cannot write 0 because at the end we will write the bearing. So the angle will be 60 degree. Now if it is a 60 degree, now you have to calculate this bearing. So we are going to calculate this outer angle. So if let us suppose that this is our central point, and we know that angle at a point, whole angle is equal to 360 degree. So again we use another property, angle at a point. Now the angle at a point, we know that the angle is 360 degree. So we have to subtract this inner angle, which is 60 degree. So after calculating we have 300 degrees. So this is our final bearing of bearing of P from Q.